Oslo, November 9, 2020, Monday. There is an island in Norway called Tromsø. During the months of September to March, thousands of tourists visit the island for hours to see the captivating green-red northern lights. Many parts of Norway, which has thousands of small and large islands, do not see the sun for days for geographical reasons. On the shores of northern Norway and the Arctic Ocean, the sun is visible for 6 consecutive months and not for 6 months. The natural show of northern lights is a common occurrence for locals living in such conditions, but tourists continue to flock. Hundreds of tourists come to see the northern lights in the Scandinavian country of Norway, Sweden and Finland. People also warm themselves by sitting on a warm sheet to witness the northern lights. These sights are visible from 7:30 p.m. till late. Norway's Tromsø location is known for its northern lights. Just as it is necessary to have clear skies and utter darkness to see the stars, it is also necessary for the northern lights. In Iceland, the lights are often turned off at night so that people can enjoy the northern lights. In the bitter cold of the hinterland, people stand in front of the open sky. It is as if a picture is being painted from the plate of nature's colors. The northern lights are still considered the dance of the dead by Native Americans. In Norway, these lights are known as the dancing soul and the sword of the warrior. Earlier in Aristotle's book Meteorology, these references to the polar region were referred to as flammable gas flames. There were many myths about the northern lights until the knowledge of the Earth's magnetic field was known until the 1900s. Can be seen. This light show of nature on Earth has existed for centuries. It is interesting to know how these northern lights are created. Everyone knows that the sun is a sphere of fire. In the sun, solar storms and hurricanes are a natural phenomenon. These solar storms contain one type of charged particle. It emits the same amount of light when it collides with the Earth's atmosphere. This phenomenon is called northern lights or aurora borealis. In Latin, aurora is called the goddess of the morning, while the winds to the north are called borealizon. Similarly, at the South Pole, the southern lights are known as the aurora australis. In parts of the South Pole, this sighting occurs only once in a long time. In 2013, southern lights were seen in the skies of Tasmania, on the shores of the South China Sea, in the Antarctic Ocean. Since the Earth's magnetic pole is at the north and south poles, this natural light show is visible only at the north and south poles of the Earth. According to electromagnetic theory, a charged particle always moves towards a magnetic field. That is why the northern lights are never seen in the equatorial region. Northern lights are mostly green because the charged particles of the solar wind turn green when they collide with oxygen and red when they collide with nitrogen. The U.S. Space Agency NASA believes that the explosion is caused by the magnetic energy between the Earth and the Moon. This explosion causes the protruding floor of protons and electrons to collide with the ionosphere, i.e. the uppermost gases of the atmosphere. That is why wonderful light shows are seen in the sky. The energy explosion was discovered after a year-long study by the satellite network Themis. The secret of this colorful light was revealed when researchers linked the Earth's magnetic field to the solar wind in the 120s. For more details, kindly go to ift.tt/3bjfif3. Please support our channel to grow by pressing subscribe button as well as the bell icon for daily science and technology updates. Thank you.